Bitcoin, the future of money. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset that is used as a means of exchange in various kinds of cryptographic transactions. This kind of payment also aids in limiting the production of new currency units. Despite the numerous discussions and press releases regarding cryptocurrencies, few individuals and organizations are familiar with this idea. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, which is an electronic coin, was released in 2009. Since then, a variety of other cryptocurrencies have emerged and are currently trading on the market. The blockchain transaction database, a digital ledger used to track transactions, is used to measure the decentralized and distributed digital currency system of which Bitcoin is a component. So, if you're wondering why you should use cryptocurrencies or why you should use Bitcoin, watch this video to get the facts. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency is a highly secure, decentralized digital exchange that makes use of encryption and acts as a means of trade. The transactions of cryptocurrency are tracked in a blockchain, a type of online ledger. The act of mining involves keeping track of a cryptocurrency's transactions in a blockchain. A bank is not required to hold or conduct transactions with Bitcoin because it is an independent type of digital money. It is comparable to physical coins, which have value and can be used for transactions like online shopping for services and goods, or as a means of expanding investments. From one person's wallet, Bitcoin may be exchanged. Because of the complexity of the creation process and resistance to counterfeiting, it is nearly difficult to manipulate the Bitcoin system. How are Bitcoin transactions verified? A network of peers makes up a cryptocurrency, and each peer in the network maintains a record of every transaction that has ever been made. A broadcast message is then issued to the network, peer-to-peer, following the signing of every transfer by the sender's private key. It becomes verified after a predetermined period. Once a transaction has been verified, it cannot be modified or reversed in any way. Confirming these transactions is the responsibility of the miner on the network. After receiving the notification and stamping it, mining algorithms resend it into the network. Each node will add the record to its database, and it will become a part of the blockchain after it has been validated. It's technically impossible to ban cryptocurrencies, even though several nations have discussed doing so. Why? Because anybody may obtain a cryptocurrency wallet. Although there may be national restrictions, the Bitcoin marketplace itself cannot be made illegal. Algeria, Cambodia, Bolivia, Educator, Bangladesh, and Nepal are a few nations that have eliminated the restrictions on utilizing cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency's future. It has been noted throughout the time that cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have been extremely volatile and component. The use of Bitcoin in the United States is mostly decided by financial regulators there, but other businessmen like Elon Musk also have control over the cryptocurrency market. Elon Musk possesses more leverage. With the help of his wealth or the substantial business organizations under his control, he may trade cryptocurrency in huge volumes or have a say in how it is used. However, the following may be said about Bitcoin's future. Users believe that by 2024, over 94% of the various varieties of Bitcoin will be issued due to its rising popularity. According to Jeremy Liu, the original investor in Snapchat, Bitcoin will reach an astounding $500,000 by 2030. Bitcoin in particular has been one of the most volatile and component cryptocurrencies. Because it is decentralized, secure, and anonymous, the adoption of this kind of cash is anticipated to increase tremendously. The adoption of various encrypted currencies by a sizable segment of tech-savvy individuals and businesses is a sure sign that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in general have a promising future. Cryptocurrency provides a special solution that makes fiat money useless. People may become their bank and payment method. Technical and regulatory issues are the main difficulties. User adoption will determine if cryptocurrencies take the role of currency. However, when Bitcoin is fully operational and incorporated into our lives, the world will change in ways we can only begin to imagine.